மாடல் டெஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். வீடியோவோட எண்டில் இதுக்கு உண்டான ஆன்சர் இருக்குது. கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 1. விச் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஃபாலோயிங் நாட் a measures of dispersion? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ quartile, ஆப்ஷன் பி range, ஆப்ஷன் சி mean deviation, ஆப்ஷன் டி standard deviation. Question number 2. If bxy equal to 0.25 and byx equal to 0.64, correlation coefficient is dash. Option A 0.16, option B 0.40, option C 0.89, option D 0.30. Question number 3. Ascertain. A. Marginal cost and differential cost do not convey the same meaning in all the circumstances. Reason are differential cost increase or decrease due to change in fixed cost. Code. Option A. A is true but R is false. B. A is false but R is true. C. A and R are correct and R is correct explanation of A. Option D. Both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 4. Appointment of independent director is the part of corporate governance as per the dash. Option A SEBI, option B Indian Companies Act, option C Government of India, option D RBI Reserve Bank of India. Question number 5. A method for achieving maximum market response from limited marketing resource by recognizing differences in the response characteristics of various parts of the market is known as dash. Option A market targeting, option B market positioning, option C market segmentation, option D market strategy. Question number 6. In market mix, which 4 P's are converted? Option A product, price, place, promotion. Option B product, price, power, promotion. Option C product, price, penetrations, promotion. Option D product, price, positioning and promotion. Question number 7. Which method does not consider the time value of money? Option A net present value, option B internal rate of return, option C average rate of return, option D profitability index. Question number 8. Which formula is used to measure the degree of operating leverage? Option A EBIT by sales, option B C divided by EBIT, C means contribution, option C EBIT divided by EBT, earning before interest and tax divided by earning before tax, option D EBIT divided by contribution, earning before interest and tax divided by contribution. Question number 9. Which one is more appropriate for cost of retained earnings? Option A weighted average cost of capital, option B opportunity cost to the firm, option C expected rate of return by the investor, option D none of the above. Question number 10. Which among the following has not started commercial banking? Option A SIDBI, option B IDBI. Option C ICICI. Option D UTI. Question number 11. The power of controller of capital issue of India is now shifted to dash A. Ministry of Finance. Option B. SEBI. Option C. AMFI. Option D. Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Question number 12. Which one is not the sources of external finance? Option A. World Trade Organization Fund. Option B. World Bank Group. Option C. Export Credit. Option D. Foreign Direct Investment. Question number 13. UNCTAD stands for dash. Option A. United Nations Committee on Tariff and Development. Option B. United Nations Conference on Trade and Deficit. Option C. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Option D. Union of Nations Cause for the Trade and Development. Question number 14. Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation between two variables is dash. Option A. The product of their standard deductions. Option B. The square root of the product of the regression coefficient. Option C. The covariance between the variables. Option D. None of these. Question number 15. Statistical software packages for research in social science include dash. Option A. SPSS. Option B. STATA. Option C. Minitab. Option D. All of the above. Question number 16. F test used to test the significance of the difference between among dash. A. Two sample mean. B. More than two sample mean. C. Variance of two sample. And D. B and C both are more than two sample mean. Variance of two sample. Question number 17. All the activities involved in selling goods or service directly to final consumer for personal non-business use are done by dash. Option A. Wholesaler. Option B. Retailer. Option C. Mediators. Option D. Commission agent. Question number 18. TAGMAR approach on marketing is used to measure dash. Option A. Public relation. Option B. Advertising result. Option C. Selling volume. Option D. Consumer satisfaction. Question number 19. In India, the commercial banks are given license of operation by dash. Option A. The Government of India. Option B. The Ministry of India. Option C. Reserve Bank of India. Option D. Banking Company Regulation 1949. Question number 20. Which one is not an international organization? Option A. SHARK. Option B. ASEM. Option C. ASEAN. Option D. CBDT. Answer. Question number 1. Option A. Quartile. Question number 2. Option B. 0.40. இது எப்படினாக்கா R equal to root BXY into BYX போட்டு ரூட் எடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னாக்க மல்டிபிள் பண்ணிட்டு ரூட் எடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா 0.40 வரும். அடுத்தது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 3 ஆப்ஷன் சி. A and R are correct and R is correct explanation of A. Question number 4 option A. SEBI Security Exchange Board of India. Question number 5 option C. Market segmentation. Question number 6 option A. Product price place promotion. Question number 7 option C. Average rate of Return. Question number 8, option B, contribution divided by earning before interest and tax. Question number 9, option B, opportunity cost to the firm. Question number 10, option A, SIDBI. Question number 11, option B, SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. Question number 12, option A, World Trade Organization Fund. Question number 13, option C, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Question number 14, option B, the square root of the product of the regression coefficients. Question number 15, option D, all of these. Question number 16, option D, B and C, both. Question number 17, option B, retailers. Question number 18, option D, consumer satisfaction. Question number 19, option C, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 20, option D, CBDT.